Belize City, Belize. Coral reefs acidification. Just over the northwest of Mexico and near the east of the Caribbean Sea lies the beautiful country of Belize. The place we are going to focus on in this country is Belize City. Belize City is focused on because of the Mesoamerican Reef, which is about 700 miles long, that goes through Mexico to Honduras. And for about 200 miles, the reef is in Brazilian water. Today, people also will refer to this reef as the Belize Barrier Reef, which is the second largest coral reef system. This place is a threat because of all the damage that it has gone through from coastal construction, oil drilling, and climate change, along with its effects. Because of these threats, the thousands of species occupying the reef were threatened. The environmental impacts that are affecting Belize Barrier Reef is ocean acidification, which can be caused by having an increase in toxic contaminants and weakened factor in rising sea temperatures, which rises acidity levels. This is a cause and effect example because coral reefs can only live in certain pH levels, around 7.7 to 8.4. Anything below or above the reef will die/bleach. Rising sea temperatures include changes to the reef such as coral bleaching and heat stress. Ocean acidification causes the ocean to have a decreased pH level, and this ultimately leads to coral reefs to be damaged. For the Belize City, oil had impacted the community deeply. Back in 2010, an oil well exploded, killing at least a dozen people and dumped 4.9 million barrels, which lasted for 90 days. And although there were no significant impact to Belize, everyone saw the damages that it caused for the environment. As a community, Belize was able to be the first country to ban oil exploration and to remove all territorial waters. As for trying to have solutions for the coral reefs in Belize waters, the country had improved the reef's health from a 2.3 to a 2.8 out of 5, which is extremely good. This was done by having Belize's taxes go straight to environmental needs, such as having conservation and ecotourism market that is trending worldwide. With just having special taxes to go towards environmental needs, the reef's health is already on its way back to having a better health.